So we're going to bring out our first guest. It's Lee Bradley! Keep it going, keep it going, come on.
Hello.
Hello.
What do you want me to say?
What do you normally say, Nicole?
I'm Lee Bradley, and I'll be getting drunk later.
Thank you, Lee. Our next guest, sometimes referred to the sexy boy of the Transformers world, it's Jason Carney! If you all have Transformers, give me a hell yeah! I'll certainly give you a hell yeah! If you want to buy lots of sketches, give me a hell yeah! Trying to get a rough cut. You. Cheers. Thank you, Jason. Right. Our next guest, who I like to refer to as our Transformers top totty, Transformers fitty, it's Cam Nicholson!
That's all I've got to say.
This next guest, I actually forgot to mention him last year. I was like, no, there's one more. Who's that? I was like, oh, jeez, I missed him. It's Chris Carter!
Good evening. It's been a long day so far. Everyone having a good time? Yeah! You got a better time later? Yeah! Cool. I got nothing else to say, so... We love you!
Thank you, Chris. Sorry about last year, but yeah, slip of the tongue. Our next guest, he's a bad boy in the Transformers world, and I'm probably going to steal his hat again this year, or his glasses. It's Liam Saloon!
Give me your money. Do I have to? No. How's everyone doing today? Ladder! That's more like it. I'm scared now.
Liam's scared, never scared. I actually skipped a name, so I'm really sorry about that. Don't. But let's bring out our next guest. It's James Roberts!
Happier. The tension backstage is almost there. There's almost sexual tension as well. And just heard in though, the Transformers convention down the road has 600, I'm afraid, so anyway, it's great to be here.
Thank you, James. Right, our next and final of our comic book guest is none other than one of my personal favourites. It's Simon Hollywood Williams!
First time. Where is he?
Right here, 240 pounds, twisted metal and sex appeal. Welcome to all Assembly 2010. How are you feeling today on this really is a busy, eventful day? Tell me about it.
Well, you know something, me indeed. Is it just me? Or are all these transformaniacs running wild, brother? There's just something in the air, dude. I can feel the energy running through my veins, brother. No. This year marks a special day, brother. It's the 10th anniversary of Auto Assembly, dude. I want to thank Vince McPlum and all the guys for doing such a good job, brother. You know, nothing's gonna spoil this day, man. None of the Decepticons, because we got the Autobots, the heroic Maximals here, Gary Chalk, Scott McNeil, and if the numbers get too much for them, brother, we've got the human peacock here, ready to watch their backs. So all I gotta say is this. What you gonna do when Transformania, Soulmania, and Auto Assembly run wild on you?
Thank you very much. Right, our next guest. Our next guest, you know what he's responsible for. He is Nick Roche!
Looking forward to it. Come get some sketches, some pictures of records. Anyone like records? That's what I thought. Alright, have a good weekend, everyone.
We love you!
I've got a feeling you can get pants for it.